Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you like my little robe thing I got from Target. It's actually like a cardigan, but all they had was like an extra large, and I wanted it so bad because I wish you could feel that. It's like so soft, and yeah, that has nothing to do with this video, but I just wanted you to know that it's like the best thing ever. So yeah, so today's video, as you can see from the title, is going to be me showing you my favorite skincare products and my overall skincare routine. And I will say I have very sensitive skin, and I also have very oily skin. Like my skin never gets dry unless it's like around my nose, and then and it's like cold weird weather outside or something, and so it just basically stays oily and sensitive all the time. And so in this video I'm going to be showing you some of my favorite skincare products, as I said. And skincare for me is like not only your face but body as well, and because that's also your skin. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So the very first thing that I find very important is whatever body wash you use, and I have been using Dove body wash for a very long time, but this one I saw in the store, and all I saw was where it says, I don't know if you can see, let's see, focus, where it says anti-stress on it, and it's like micellar water, you know, I can't speak. I think it's micellar water, and I saw the words anti-stress when I was like going through Kroger, and I was like, oh, I need to be drinking this stuff. And so basically it is a soothing cleanser that purifies from environmental stressors, and if a college student doesn't need this, then I don't know who does. But honestly, it just makes your skin feel so soft. I've been using this for like several weeks now, and it's so soothing and so soft, and it really cleans your skin well, and it makes you smell so good. Also when I'm in the shower, I wash my face, and so I get in there, I'll take like a rag and I'll wipe all my makeup off first, which doesn't really do a whole lot. But then after I like wipe it off, I will go in with a face wash, and I use the Neutrogena Oil-Free Acne Wash Daily Scrub. And it is a multi-action scrub that helps stop breakouts before they start. And this is what the scrub looks like. You can tell it's very well loved. I've been using it a lot. I buy this all the time, and I don't really have acne. I will have random breakouts every once in a while based on like stress, or like if I'm eating bad food and stuff. And so I just use that in the shower every single night while I'm in there. And then when I get out of the shower, I still have like some makeup on my face, but honestly what I used to do, I used to just kind of leave it like that, which is a little gross, and just take Vaseline to wipe off the rest of my mascara, which I still do that. But now when I get out of the shower, I go and use this micellar foaming cleanser. If it's micellar instead of micellar, I'm gonna be really sad, but I think I'm pronouncing it right. And so they have micellar water, but this is the cleanser, and this is like new, and it is an all-in-one rinse off. It gently foams to remove makeup and cleanses, and is refreshing. And so it works for all skin types, and it's even for sensitive skin types. It just really, like, okay, I used my friend's micellar water a few weeks ago, and I was like, okay, it can't be that great. Like I was convinced that I had all the makeup off my face, and because I just gotten out of the shower, did my face wash, everything. But then I took some of the micellar water, and I put it on a little piece of paper towel, and I wiped it off my face, and it was like brown, and I could not believe how much makeup I still had on my face. And so I've been using this ever since, and it leaves your skin feeling so clean and so soft. So I just use this when I get out of the shower. Like, you just wet your face and use it. You can use the water or the cleanser. I really like the cleanser. But then when I'm done with that, there is always still a little bit of mascara, and I wear a lot of makeup, as you can tell, all the time. And then so I will take Vaseline and put it on a little piece of like toilet paper or a rag, and I will just go over my eyelashes. And Vaseline also, they say that it makes your eyelashes grow, and I have fairly long lashes. Well, I mean, these are falsies, but I think that is true. And so it also gets off every little last bit of mascara, and so I really highly recommend Vaseline. Now, I do use a different type of face wash in the morning when I'm getting ready. So I wake up and brush my teeth, and then before I even put contacts in or anything, I wash my face, because I wake up with oily skin, because I'm just like an oil rig. Like, I don't know if that made sense, but I'm just very oily. And so I have been loving, this is almost empty, this is the Garnier Skin Active Clean Plus Shine Gel Shine Control Cleansing Gel. It removes excess oil and mattifies skin, and it is for oily skin. And y'all, if you have oily skin, go get this stuff. Like, it works so well. It like doesn't make your face like dry out or feel like, you know how like when some stuff that's for like oily skin will like literally suck all the oil and any kind of hydration you have in your skin out. This does not do that. This works so well. It lasts like, keeps my skin like to where it's not oily or too dry all day long, and I love it. 10 out of 10 recommend. Okay, back to the shower. Another body wash that I like to use that leaves my skin just feeling soft is the pink Soap and Skin Coconut Oil Dual Phase Body Wash. And I don't really use this to clean my skin. Like, I don't know how well it works for just being a cleaner, but it makes your skin smell like coconuts after. Like, I'm not even joking. But with the coconut oil being in it, it just leaves it so soft and nourishing and like feels so hydrated, and it's not like oily at all. Like, I know it has coconut oil in it, but it does not leave your skin feeling oily one bit. And now Pink Beauty has like upped their game with all different types of body washes and body like skincare products. And another one of the things that I love from Pink is this Pink Unicorn Glow. It's a body scrub, and now this is like what I use to exfoliate my skin. So what I do is, like, I shave my legs. Like, I don't shave my legs every day like most girls. I'll shave my legs like 2 to 3 times a week, but I will do this like when I do it to exfoliate my legs. That way, when after you shave, and if you take this with like water and just scrub it on your legs, it really exfoliates all of that like excess skin and stuff. And when you get out of the shower, I actually did it today, it makes your legs feel so smooth. And I'll do this like once or twice a week after I shave. But yeah, this stuff, just get any kind of exfoliator. But this is the one, I did this in another video and I said it smells like apples. It still smells like apples. I love it. Now, me personally, I just love the smell of coconuts in general. Like, anything that smells like paradise and like just, you know, coconut, pineapple, mango, stuff like that. I love it. And so I love this stuff. This is from Bath & Body Works. This is Cocoa Shea Coconut Richly Nourishing Lightweight Body Oil, and it has cocoa butter, shea butter, and coconut oil in it, and it leaves you with 24-hour moisture. And I hate body oils that make you feel like sticky, and this does not do that. Like, I've almost used the whole bottle, as you can tell, and it just leaves you feeling like super moisturized. And it says it replenishes and it nourishes and conditions your skin, and it's it just makes your skin feel so soft without leaving that stickiness after, you know. Like, I hate body oil that makes you feel sticky. Like, that's the worst. Okay, so this is a little bit like not necessarily skincare, but this is something I like to do when I do like a light face of makeup to where it can actually get on my skin. This I use also as a setting spray. It's the Pure Miracle Mist Hydrating Spray, and a person that worked at Ulta one time just recommended this to me because it was on sale, but I love it. And it makes your skin smell so clean, and it really just kind of makes your skin dewy without it getting oily, because I always struggle with the hydrating sprays making my skin feel oily, and this does not do that, and love it. So if you want to go for, oh sorry, there's bubbles in there now, but if you want to go for like a light face of makeup or even a full face and you just want to leave your skin hydrated and you want to do it like on a budget, this is really not that expensive. I don't remember the exact price, but not very expensive, and you can get it at Ulta. Okay, so 2 of my favorite lotions in the world are by Pink and Victoria's Secret, and they both smell like coconut because I love coconuts. And this is the Cocoa Lotion Coconut Oil Hydrating Body Lotion, and this goes along with that body wash I showed you, and it just leaves your skin smelling like coconuts, feeling so nourished because of that coconut oil. But then this one's the Hydrating Body Lotion, smells like coconut milk from Victoria's Secret. And y'all, I'm gonna put some on now. It smells so stinking good. Yeah, I just like to put this on my legs like after I shave. Like, it just feels so good. And most things that say they have coconut oil in it, again, they feel sticky, but this like does not. It's so like moisturizing. Like, I hate lotion that makes you feel sticky. Like, I do feel like a lot of Bath & Body Works lotion makes you feel sticky, and that's why like I don't really use a lot of lotion. A lot of lotion that does that, but like my OG top #1 lotion of all time, y'all already know, I've talked about it before, is Johnson & Johnson baby lotion. I love baby lotion. I keep a baby lotion in this size. I have the full pump, I have the pocket sized one, like the travel size one, and then I have the mini travel like purse size one. I love baby lotion. Baby lotion is like the only lotion that will never leave your skin feeling unmoisturized or unloved, and it never leaves you sticky. It says it nourishes baby skin for 24 hours, but they forgot about adults here. Now, baby lotion, I love the smell. Some people don't like the smell. They think it smells too much like baby lotion, but I love the smell of this lotion. It smells so good. It's so nourishing. I keep this by my bed. This and Vaseline I keep by my bed, because also Vaseline, I use it to put on my lips. Here's my big thing of Vaseline. Well, this is petroleum jelly. You can get any kind of brand. This is literally like this and my lamp and my phone charger are like all I have beside my bed now. I love it. Like, I put Vaseline on my lips just like this every day. I've talked about Vaseline in like almost all of my makeup videos. I put it on my eyelids as like an eyeshadow sometimes, like, you know, just to keep it like shiny. I love Vaseline. Now, moving on to face mask. Now, I don't really do a whole lot of face masks. I have shown you those sheet masks from Pink. I will do like these like sheet masks from Pink like honestly once every 2 weeks to a month. I'm not a big sheet mask person. I'm more of like a what do you call it? Like a clay mask, the type of mask that you wash off. Those are the kinds that I like. And my skin is so sensitive that I have had one of those break me out before, and so I don't know, I'm kind of scared of sheet masks, but I do use those like once a month, kind of just for fun. But my favorite face mask that I've ever bought in my life is this L'Oreal Pure Clay mask, and this is like the charcoal one, I believe. They have these in like every single shade. I've had this one and like the white one. It's like a light gray. I think it was for like blackheads or oily skin or something. I don't remember what exactly this one was for, but I love it. You put it on your skin, and I think you let it stay for 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's kind of gross, but like when it starts to dry, you do like a thin layer, but when it starts to dry, like all of the blackheads and bumps on your face will like turn like black. So your face is like dark gray, but then you'll see like black dots all over your face, and it like, I don't know if it's like sucking it out of you or what, but you can see like all of the outlines of every bump on your face. So you're like, ugh, I need to do this more often. And then you just wash it off your face. But I will do this like once a week because I love this stuff. And I don't do a face mask every single day because that's just, I ain't got time for that. And but yeah, it smells good. It really does the job. I think I'm gonna do this tonight actually. Like, I'm in the mood for this. So one other face mask that I love is this Pink Do This with Rose Nourishing Clay Face and Body Mask. And this smells so good. Now, I really do like to use face masks like after I've been like traveling, or if I've been sick or been like exposed to like a lot of germs somewhere, or like been on vacation. I like to come home and like treat my skin, and this is like what I do every time like I go somewhere. I've been doing this, and I've been doing it like all semester. It smells just so clean. It smells more like the spa. Like I said, Pink Beauty has like upped their game and like are doing more like things that everybody can buy, which like is amazing. And this stuff, I put it like all over my face, and sometimes like right here, because I do get oily right here as well. And I'll just sit in my bed like this and let it dry. I think it's for like 10 to 15 minutes, 10 minutes, and you can do this up to 3 times a week. I'll do it like once a week. I'll do that other L'Oreal mask one night, and then I'll do this one like 3 days after that. And so I love a good face mask, but because my skin is so sensitive, these are like the only 2 that I have found that don't really break me out. And so this last thing doesn't really have anything to do with skin, but a lot of people have been asking me what I use to like whiten my teeth, and I use these little syringes with whitener in it. I put these in my retainer. This is from Bleach Bright, like a website. I follow this dancer. Her name's Jade Chenoweth, I think is how you pronounce her last name, and I used her code. I think it was like Jade80. I don't know if it still works. I got these like a year ago, and this I just literally squirt like a little dab in each of my little retainer teeth pieces, and you gotta be careful with it. You're supposed to leave it on like for 30 minutes, and I do it like up to 7 times within 2 weeks, and sometimes I'll sleep in it, and that's not good. Don't do that. But yeah, this is what I love. I love whitening my teeth. I haven't done it in a while, as you can probably tell, because my teeth have gotten sensitive from doing it so much. So you have to really be careful and like really spread it out so you don't like do damage to your teeth, because one of my teeth teeth at one point were like super sensitive and it hurt for like a solid week, and I thought I was gonna lose all feeling. So yeah, if you whiten your teeth, be careful. And so yeah, y'all, that's pretty much it for all of my skincare. I don't really do a whole lot in the skincare world. I'm very basic, but those are like my top picks for any kind of skincare product, whether it's a body wash, like a lip product, a face wash, whatever, mask, everything, all the good stuff, lotions. And I also take biotin pills, which are for like hair, skin, and nails, and helps you like grow and be stronger, and those do work. Like if you're trying to grow your hair out, just take a biotin pill every day. You can get it at the grocery store, and yeah, I love those. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel. New videos every Sunday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Thank you so much for stopping by, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day.